Good morning.
Good
Good
morning, sir.
morning. Very good morning. So, Rakshit haven't joined yet. So, I have received files from Sai Super sent me a incomplete file. Vishnu sent me file. I'm checking. So, there are few issues. Rachit, he sent me a file, but there is couple of issues in that file. Explain. And I guess there's some issues. So we can.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. So I couple of things we have to modify.
Sir, I have also doubt.
Yes. So just give me a second. So okay. So Sai send me a file. So I just modified. Rachit haven't joined yet. So what I did is I just modified his whatever he submitted. What I modified that slightly, and I guess I need to flip it. Yes. So I modified that. So there's a couple of issues in his file I found. So what I'm thinking, tomorrow we can have another class. I'll discuss whatever the issue, so that you can fix it and then render it out in a better manner. So you can see this is what he submitted. This is what I just spent I guess 15-20 minutes on that and modified a little bit. So the couple of issues are there. So those things we'll discuss tomorrow. Today because we continue with our environment only. So tomorrow we can have extra class, same time, same timing, same links, everything is same. So we can have extra class and discuss those issues so that we can fix those problem and move ahead. Okay, let's please join. Just give me a second. Let it join. So there are a couple of things. Because I found this like UV issue plus there's texture baking problems and plus texture problems, couple of problems. And this is something he Rachit where is Rachit? He's
Good
there.
morning, sir.
Good morning. So this looks nice, but it can be better. There's a lot of issue. I can see you just random just finished it and sent it to me. Send it. It can be very nice if you little work slightly have to work hard on this, modify a couple of things here and there. So you can see this side left side one is you have sent me. This is I just modified the texture slightly in substance itself, added couple of layers and modified your base layers couple of layers. So main issue what I found is like there, first of all you didn't do unwrap properly. That is something very clearly evidently visible. So UV issues are there and plus baking problems are also there. So I kind of rebaked. You can see rebaked and plus modified couple of layers. You can see colors and everything is same. This is too much. We have to reduce this. Then tone wise and shadow wise things are missing. So you can see in this there is shadows are not that clean. This is shadow is clean. So those things are missing. So what I'm planning is tomorrow we can have an extra class doubt clearing session. So by the time I'll check everybody's file because till yesterday I didn't have mouse, so I couldn't check anyone's file. So morning I started checking file. So there are a couple of issues in baking, UV, and texturing. These three. So because this can be really nice, like whatever you have done, it's a pretty good job, but it's still not there yet. There are like lots of technical issues are there. So those things also we have to fix. So I'll explain those things and tomorrow class, and then from if possible, I guess I have received a Sai Supraj file, Vishnu's file, and yours file. Balaji and Chintan.
Sir, that's why I'm asking the
Chintan, you
doubt.
sent me a WIP file, right? Some issue. Yeah.
No, sir. I'm having problem with. I think like last week you showed like your low poly has your mesh is low poly, but your detail is like in high poly in Maya.
Hmm.
After that, you explore that model and went for Marmoset. I want to know that process because my all things done, just rendering is left, but I don't understand how to get that thing like low poly mesh but with high poly detail.
That is what baking is. Like whatever you created, if you
No, sir. In Maya, sorry, in Substance, my all the things are done.
hmm.
But after that, I think 17 something, 17 or I don't remember that. On
Hmm.
that, in video, you showed like your Maya model has a low poly mesh, but with high poly detail.
That is texture. I applied texture. That's it. It's a low poly model only. It's low poly model only. Whatever I exported to Substance, that file only. You just have to export, use that low poly and apply all your map. So it will automatically look like, give you appearance of high poly.
Okay, like shape changes also we will be there then.
There's no shape change. I haven't changed anything.
Sir, एक second.
Okay, I guess there's some confusion. Just give me a second.
Yes, sir. Sir, I will just show my screen.
Just give me a second. Give me a second. I'll start. Okay, you can share your screen. I have enabled it. I have to stop sharing. Yeah.
Sir, I actually asked permission, sir.
Yeah, like that. Like okay, that's I guess I replied, right? You can send send me by next week, right? I didn't reply.
Actually, end of this week, Sunday.
And oh, end of this week, Sunday. So
Yesterday only I came home, sir.
okay, so okay, by next week you can submit it. It's fine. Only thing is you tomorrow we'll have a doubting session, so where we discuss all the issues. So you sharing this?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Huh.
I don't understand. Like, yes, sir.
Like what happened here? Okay, you talking about those pipes and those extra things, right?
No, sir, not even pipes. I'm talking about this thing, like where you have this is a low poly mesh, but the quality and details are like high poly mesh.
It's just I just applied texture. That's it. Your low poly model, you have to apply texture, so it will look like okay. That is the whole idea of 3D. That you create a low poly model and then you apply texture. So I just applied texture exported from Substance. That's it. It's nothing else.
Because my in Substance, my like almost I'm done with Substance.
Just import that FBX into Marmoset, apply all the texture. It will look
Only
like
texture or whole model also, sir.
yes, of course, without model, where do you apply texture? So you have to import your model, apply your texture, so it will look like your high poly. So this is my low poly model. You can see it's low poly model. I just applied texture, diffuse map. It's just a diffuse map. That's it. So everything is part of texture.
Then I already exported texture, but then I need to export mesh also, or just
The mesh you have imported it FBX. You can import the same mesh into Substance. Oh, sorry, Marmoset.
but sir, right now I only exported my export texture. If I go to my Marmoset and use my low poly,
That is you're supposed to use. Low poly, use your actual game model. There's nothing. Once you bake it, discard your high poly. High poly, there's no requirement anymore. Substance files, once you export texture, it's not required anymore. So the low poly model in Maya, that is your final model. that you exported in Substance and imported and textured. That is your final model.
Sir, I still can't get it. Like,
Okay, no problem. So we can discuss this tomorrow. No problem. We'll explain everything. I'll show it once again. No problem. So I'll show it and explain it. Just texture applied. I have opened this thing, I guess. So I'll share it. You can stop sharing.
yes, sir. I tried to rewatch again and again, but I still.
No problem. No problem. I'll show this thing, like whatever it is. I'll explain that. So no problem. Just give me a second. I'll just. Everybody is here. You can see my screen. See, DVL low, right? Low poly, this is pose. I posed it. Pose the model. Don't save anything. Perspective. Intent joining. So you're having confusion. You think, okay, it have all the details and everything, right? It's just low poly model. You can see if I click my model, it's low poly only. It's low poly only. It just, I have applied the texture. Just applied the texture. That's it. Nothing fancy. You see, it's a low poly model. I just applied texture. Okay. That's why it looks like this, because all the information you can see here, it's coming from the texture. Nothing else. So no problem. I'll discuss this tomorrow. I'll explain everything. So like there are a couple of things. So if possible, you can send me a updated file or something. So I'll cross.
Sir, okay, I will send my substance files and everything, because I tried to import my model in low poly. I can see the like blocky kind of whole my model.
You have to apply smoothing group. Like, okay, like suppose if I press, you have to make the entire model. By default, everything is blocky. So you have to select your entire model. There in Maya, there is no smoothing group. Either it's smooth or it's hard. So shift, right click, soft edges, soft edges. That's it.
But sir, if I do that right now, the whole like my unwrapping will be changed now.
No, why it will change?
Like I can do it right now also.
You can do it whenever you. It's a like you're softening the edges. So that's it. You're not changing anything. You're not adding. You're not adding anything. You're not detecting anything. You're not modifying anything. You're just making the edges soft. That's it.
But sir, like we baked our low poly. I baked my low poly with like boxy kind of thing. If I change it now, then
it's a problem. Then you have done a mistake. You have to smooth, like soften the edges and bake it. You remember I said if you have a high poly, there shouldn't be any smoothing group, any hard edges, any soft. Everything should be soft. You have to soft the entire model, then import it and then texture it, because it will otherwise the entire texture will generate based on that boxy kind of that effect you're seeing. Faceted, basically faceted, each and every face is visible. So based on that, it will generate the texture. So no matter what you do, it will look like that only. So that's a mistake. So you have to smooth the, like in Maya, go back to your Maya, smooth the entire model and open your Substance and just okay, it's stuck. I'll just crash it. You just have to go to edit and project configuration, re-import your file. That's it. It will fix all the problem. But you have to rebake your normals and everything. Otherwise, it won't work.
Then, sir, I changed all the things in, like I painted and everything. Then
anything you have painted, that will go. Because smart material will regenerate automatically. But anything you have manually painted, that will reset.
Like I can't just like for temporarily I can just copy and then use it again.
You can copy, but problem is your in basic information is all faceted, all angular, right? All the angles are visible.
Yes, sir.
So everything is generated based on that model. So what will happen, even if you apply the texture on that model, because of the normal and because of the texture detail, it will give you that appearance of that faceted the angular shape only, no matter what you do. So you have to modify base model and remake the normal. It will solve your problem. What you can do, you can send me your file, send me your loop, or create a folder where you have your substance file and your low poly high poly model. Send me that entire project, so tomorrow we can discuss that. I'll show you exactly what you have to do.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will send you after the class.
Yes, let's do that. So tomorrow we will have same time, we'll have another class and we'll discuss everything, like whatever the issue, whatever the problems, we'll discuss everything, because now you're finishing this, so it should finishing should be really good. So you can see like, oh, this, like, it's decent quality, it's not bad. There are a lot of fixes, definitely fixes. So I just simply modified a couple of things. You can see this one have more contrast. You can see all the shadows, depth, and everything is separation. If you, I'll show you one more thing, like from side, you can see this also have a shadow and everything. Here there's no shadow because there is a baking issue, there is a ambient occlusion issue, and there are a couple of issues. I'll explain those things one by one tomorrow. So those things are there. You can see this is also having like nice shadow separation, right?
को मैंने थोड़ा लो में बेक किया था.
नहीं, एओ जो तुमने बेक किया है वो, दैट बेकिंग इज, you use normal map, you haven't used high poly. You have to use high poly for baking ambient occlusion. तो अभी मैंने रीबेक किया है यूजिंग हाई पॉली. सो यू कैन सी मैंने कुछ, आई हैवंट डन एनीथिंग, आई जस्ट रीबेक्ड इट and applied couple of extra layers and modified it. That's it. I just added a layer of dirt in your model substance file. There is no layer for dirt.
Yes.
No, there's no generator, so that's why I just added generator and I just rebaked it. That's it. So with dirt, with the help of dirt, it will, you can see all the shapes are separated based on the high poly. It's automatically separated. So, and plus I have modified basic, I can modify this also. So those things easily get separated very easily. So I'll explain, no problem, no need to get confused. Like whatever you have done, just send me that based on your file, your requirement. I'll explain that, like what you have to do, exactly the steps. If you have any doubts, I'll record the class anyways and you can note it down also. What are the points I'm mentioning, just to make sure, fix those areas. If you fix those things, it will look way better. And there's like in your file, there is like one more thing, like that 4K map we have used, it's supposed to be only for this character, not for the gun, not for the base. For this, it should have used a separate texture. And plus UV is wrong. That is something I guess you know already. UV is just an automatic unwrap, not properly done.
Yes.
So it's not properly done, so I can see that clearly. Because of that, resolution problem is there. So that is something also I'll show and explain what to do, how to fix it quickly, and all those things I'll explain. No need to worry. So before, if possible, by today evening, send me your file. All of you, send me your file. I'll explain based on your file so that you get it, you understand like what exactly you have to do. Okay, and if possible, note it down.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay, then I'll just simply don't say. Where is my bar? Yes.
Sir, I've sent you the file, sir.
Okay, so like you sent me the files, so I'll check all of them, and tomorrow we'll discuss and like fix all the issues. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
And one more thing, like I have received environment references from Rachit and Sai Supraj, and yes, that's it, I guess, I believe. Hi, this second reference Rachit sent me, this is nice. This is nice. Like do not extend it exterior, just create the interior.
एक सेपरेट रेफरेंस है सर वो
Huh?
सर ये सेपरेट था ये वाला, तो मैं पूछ रहा लाइक कौन सा करना है ये।
Interior. Huh? Not this one. Interior. So, and side suplex reference is fine. You can go ahead, you can use it and can go ahead and start blocking it out. And baki logo ne, you haven't sent me your references. So send me your reference and then we'll start working on it. Okay. And just give me a second, I'll open my reference. Where is my reference? My reference is open. So now I'm just going to basically I'm just going to block it out my entire mesh, and with modeling like this thing, whenever you create something like this, one thing you have to keep in mind is initially start with a very low poly model, very low poly model. Do not go for anything high poly or mid poly. Initially go for very low poly, extremely low poly, and then start modifying it. Okay, let's see. So now I'm going to create those planks and all. So that plank is also again a box. Like in HSM, I noticed that like you have the basic idea, but still there is a couple of issues. So tomorrow we'll discuss everything and make sure fix those things, because like it's almost there, but still not perfect. Because in gaming, like gaming, your modeling and texturing, both the things, like perfection is required. So it's very important. A couple of things you need to tweak and modify. So make sure whatever I explain, update those things and fix it, and then it will be your portfolio ready. Just a plank. So for this kind of plank, I can like extrude it from here and create another plank, but I'm not going to do that. I am planning to use it like this, so it will have less amount of polygons. And I'll suggest keep walking every day. Like start walking every day. Whatever I'm doing, like obviously you have your different references. So based on your reference, the amount I'm finishing, make sure you also finish that much amount of work every day regularly. Otherwise it will try to stay ahead of me, so that will give you extra time. If there is anything correction, any issue or anything to fix, you will be able to do it very easily. Otherwise it will become problem for you. Okay, so you can see I'm just duplicating the same thing and using it. Reason, all the planks, all those things are usually same size or same width. That's why I'm just simply modifying like this. And the mode, yes, I need to fix the mode also. So here I can see there is little volume. Extrude. You can use any software, there is no issue at all. You can use Max, you can use Maya, because these two software you should know industry, because all the companies have their like preferences in terms of softwares. So some companies they prefer Max, some companies they prefer Maya. So you should be able to use both of them. If you proficiency in Max and basic in Maya, absolutely fine. Proficiency in Maya, basics of Max, absolutely fine. So you'll job opportunity will increase, because there otherwise what will happen, there are companies they use only Max or only Maya. In that what will happen, you will like face problem that time. So two segments, beveled it, made it slightly round. It looks little to extract it, so I'll just push it slightly inside. And this one I feel slightly elongated. Yeah. Now it looks better, much better. The basic structure is ready, and you can see like its basic structure is ready, and this shape should be something like this. It should overlap this. It cannot be on that surface, right? Slightly extra backside, that's not a problem. One more. This roof, this thing. Okay, this roof is not there in my scene. It's like broken section. So I'll just recreate that. Now we have a door here. So that door can be a separate mesh entirely. Like suppose you don't have to extrude it from this shape. If you want, you can just simply duplicate this face. So you have a same surface. Slightly move forward, down. Now I have here. I have like two separation, these two sections, compartments. So like this. Extrude. Oh no, not sorry, not extrude. Extrude only. So if you
So I
extrude
sent you
this,
my reference.
okay, I'll just check. Just give me a second. So I just keep. I want to keep these. I want to separate these two together, not together. So switch off them. Push it back. Push it back. Basic structure.
Sir,
Yes.
what if I need to like model another room behind that door?
Okay. If you want to model another room, in that case you have to cut this.
Okay, okay, sure. Thank you.
No, you have to cut this. Then like because right now it's blocked, so you cannot open this door technically. So you have to
Yes, sir.
add like go to multi-cut, and based on this shape,
Sure. Sir.
no, right? This you can create a straight line and delete that section.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir.
So that will be easy. Just give me a second. I'll check your reference. Oh shit! I have closed my email. Just give me a second. Reference. I haven't received it. I haven't. Oh, Vishnu sent me, right? You sent me. Oh, no, this is no. This is another Vishnu. No, I haven't received. I haven't received your
So
mail.
WhatsApp.
Oh, WhatsApp. Array. Oh, WhatsApp. How will I see it? Okay, that to do. Okay, so you sent me. So try to mail me. That will be like way nicer and easy. Okay, this subway station. Yeah, this works perfectly. This works perfectly. Let me just give me a second. I'll open it in system. It works perfectly because like something simple and not very complex, where we can have a scope of like a modeling and texturing, but because you have to like do all this thing, like suppose you have to create the entire thing, and there will be a new software, new things. So that's why I'm keep asking you to keep it simple. This works perfectly fine. This is nice because you can see these two chair, you can create only two chair and repeat everywhere. This like this pole, you can create one, repeat everywhere. And this section you can create a modular piece and repeat everywhere. So it becomes easy. Like you don't have to go don't have to model the entire thing manually. Create one section, repeat, create one section, repeat. So this works perfectly,
Okay, sir.
right? This is fine. This is fine. This will work. Okay. Where is my reference? Let's keep it here. Right. Always on top. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all these things are there. So I need to create all those things. This is fine. And I have another. Another surface here, slightly white, just to cover this section. Then we have similar wooden plank. So Control D, duplicate it, J, and rotate. Will snap every 15 degree. One, another one, and resize it. This is not the same size, not of same size, something like this. It's pretty small, tiny. And same thing, I have one more similar kind of here also. Control D, E, J, rotate 90 degree. You can see 180 degree. Just above the door. Here, somewhere here. So these two are quite close. And this surface I can see here, you can see this surface is continue and then extruded, extruded, extruded. It's creating those shapes, uneven shape. It's not even. So this is something I'm planning to create with the help of same surface. That's my idea. Select. Slightly break. So as of now, I'm not like optimizing. I'm just simply extruding those surfaces. Once I extrude everything and bevel corners and all these things, then I'll start optimizing the model. Somewhere there, just here. And keep saving your file. Now this surface, right? This particular surface I have to fit. This is like slightly rounded. So the easiest way, just select the edge, shift, bevel. Add one more segment, two segments, slightly rounded. If you want more, you can make a bit more rounded also. It's perfectly fine as long as it's smooth and clean. It's round, nicely rounded surface. Done. So now whenever you have this kind of surface, you have to like make it little triangulated. Like this is, you can see this is triangle, quad, quad. So but I can keep it like this, or I can just simply connect it here also. I can do that also. Both are fine, both are correct. There's nothing wrong in it. Like this I can generate, and then the bits, let's see. save my file, keep saving, Alt H, hide. So I'll go to front, edge mode, select all the edges, and then connect. Move it down. I can use one more connect. So it's overall the thickness is exactly the same. So I can see the top thickness is slightly wider as compared to this one. Now this entire thing I need to extrude slightly because it's have that slight extrude thing. So now inside area, so you can see this entire thing is filled, and this section is not required. This is, I don't know what is this. Delete it. So this all these sections, this is not visible. Make sure delete. Anything is not visible to the camera, make sure delete it. This base, no need to double check. There is no base, it's all clean. Yeah, nice. Now double click, shift, double click. So you can select the entire edge. What happened? Oh, there is a like, okay, I haven't connected this thing. So I guess before doing this, I should connect this. So V collab connected there. Connect. Select everything, shift, merge vertices. Done. You see, yeah, now it's working throughout. It didn't work here. Like why? Oh, there is a unwanted vertex, unwanted vertex. It's my mistake only. Yeah, now it's working. See, now it's working perfectly. Now extrude. If you select the blue one, it will extrude based on the normal direction. So wherever is your mesh, wherever doesn't matter, based on the normal direction, it will extrude. Make it super clean. Oh, there is one more. Oh, this side is not there. One second. So this side, this extrusion is not there. There is a wooden plank there. Sorry. Okay, delete it manually. This is also to fix. Okay, that's all fix. There is something hidden. So I'll just double check if there's anything I missed. Select all of them, scale, make it perfectly straight line, and merge them. If there is anything unwanted, delete, delete. It's clean, it should be clean. Let's see. So suppose you have overlapping vertices or edges. So how to check that? It's like pretty simple and easy. Shift, right click, oh sorry, right click. There is something called vertex face. It basically separate the line and shows you vertex face. So I can see here, there is a hidden edge going on throughout. Because of that only I'm having that issue, that double face. Because of this only I'm having this problem. That means there is something hidden here. Hidden, like by mistake, I have created one or two edges there. Here also you can see there's one line That's a face basically, but it looks like appears to be a line. That means it's a wrong geometry. So I have to fix that. Go back to face board. I'll check that, and okay, this thing is fine. Okay. How it's continued. Oh, from here. Delete. The surface is not required. Delete. Delete. Or it's delete this. Delete. Now to fix that problem, and either I can like just select everything, merge all vertices. You can see 301, reduce it. So now if I go to this thing, that problem is gone, fixed. There is still in between, there is a problem. So let's see. Yeah, I can see clearly there is an issue. Delete, delete, delete. Vertex space and double check. That line is not there anymore. It's all clean now. Okay, so in this particular scene, all the corners are slightly beveled, nicely beveled. So I'm using 2 or 3 segments just to give it a very nice, smooth beveled effect. You see, nicely curved shape. Similarly, this section also bevel it nicely. And not to worry, all these things I'll fix. This is not correct. This is like technically correct, but like in games and all, because it's a waste of a polygon, so I'll fix it. I'll reduce the polygon there. Oh, I just noticed one more thing. In this particular pillar, there is one more surface, like extrusion here. Double click, select the entire thing, scale slightly. Sorry, my bad. Shift is scale slightly. This thickness was there. This thickness I missed, so I'll simply delete this one and duplicate it again. This is to align with this one. And same pillar is here, but smaller size, smaller in size. Duplicate this here. J. So if you're getting confused with this, just freeze everything. Press J. 90-degree. Next to the door, and reduce. Sorry, it's like something like this. It's pretty small. Same thing, this corner, somewhere here. Somewhere here. Now I have the same one more, this corner here. One more degree. Just to cover this section, there's one more. So like this, we have to model our entire thing, fix all the parts, generate everything, and like initially try to keep it as low as possible. Do not add anything unwanted or unnecessarily, so that we can fix it very easily. Like if I want to increase the poly count, increasing poly count is easy. Reducing is difficult. So that's why I start with low poly and gradually move to like mid poly, towards mid poly. Okay. Now, like you can see, like by seeing basic blocking wise, almost everything, this basic structure, this thing's ready. I'll create this thing. This is just boxes, right? And I'll create one stool, duplicate everywhere. One chair, duplicate. This one table, duplicate, then duplicate here. And we have a couple of glasses here, and all these small props. I'll create those things as well. There's a shelf, so I'll create those things. Also, there is a fan. There is two lights and all those things, small things, and it will create a very nice like UV and very good quality texture for this. And this time the texture will be use multiple textures. We won't use only one texture. We'll be using multiple textures, so that we can have a very good quality output. Like quality wise, environment seeing the like output should be really nice. So that is something we'll focus, like final out, because a final output is combination of your model plus your texture, so both should be equally like good. So we'll do that. Here also I can see slightly extruded section here. Edge, select the entire thing and go to connect component setting, component. It connects one. So what I can do is I can go to connect tool and middle mouse button and drag. So I'll get two of them and press enter. And widen the distance. Everything selected. Extrude. Again the same thing. Again I did the same. Extrude. So model will be our bit mid poly and nicely detailed. We'll do those things. And you can see now this inside this line is all useless. Plus this line also all useless. It's not serving anything, not doing anything. So I can delete this. And plus this section also I can fix. I'll make them straight line instead of keeping them like this. Let's show. So I can get rid of this line also. And to optimize model, I can make it like this. 1 2 3 4 5. That means I have to connect these also, like just one triangle, just everything is quad. And this line also not required. I can remove it, or for texturing purpose I might use it. And I see there is a issue. Go to top view. This happens because of the angle. See. 52. I just take the attendance. Where is that? Let's see. I added your name, right? Rachit Balaji Sai Sukraj
No, sir.
Chintan.
as sir told you now that I have that error. My name.
I I updated the group. Which I updated the group, but still it's showing. Just give me a second. Mm. Groups. Speech. Okay, just give me a second. I'll keep a note. Okay, I kept it. So I'll just inform admin. But I don't know. I remember I added your name, but maybe because of the access some issue. Okay, I'll update this. I'll fix it. So no problem. Okay. So like this, like start blocking out your model and start adding, because use something very bit less complex and create that. Then we'll start, once you like model the entire thing, then we'll start texturing, and for texturing we'll be using this thing, multiple maps. So I'll explain how to use multiple maps in one model and how to do that and how to achieve very good quality texture. So I'll explain all those things and create everything. Okay, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow same time we'll discuss the HSM. So you can send me your updated files. I'll discuss everything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay then.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.